In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. Whether you're a professional writer or someone who just wants to ensure your documents are error-free, integrating Grammarly into Google Docs can significantly enhance your writing. So let's dive into this quick and easy guide. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Grammarly website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Grammarly in the search bar. Once you've found the official site, click on it to get started. Grammarly is a powerful tool that provides grammar, punctuation, style, and clarity suggestions as you write. If you don't already have an account, now would be the perfect time to set one up. However, if you already have an account, all you need to do is click on I have an account. This will guide you toward the sign in page. Now go ahead and type in your email address. Make sure you're using the email associated with your Grammarly account to avoid any issues. Once you've entered your email, click on Continue. You'll be prompted to enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's an option to reset it right there on the page. With your login complete, it's time to move over to Google Docs. Head to your browser's address bar, type in Google Docs and click on the official link. This will take you to your documents homepage. Once you're here, you need to focus on the extensions menu. Look at the top of the Google Docs window. You'll see a menu labeled Extensions. Click on the Extensions tab. This is where you'll find options to add various extensions to your Google Docs, including Grammarly. If you haven't added Grammarly yet, it's as easy as enabling it here. Notice the option that reads Check for writing suggestions on Google Docs. You want to select this to begin integrating Grammarly with your documents. Once enabled, Grammarly will start checking your work in real time, much like it does in its standalone web application. It will underline potential errors and provide you with suggestions on the right hand side of your document. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to correct mistakes on the fly without leaving Google Docs. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you now have Grammarly working seamlessly within Google Docs. This integration ensures your writing is polished and professional without requiring much effort. Remember, the key to great writing is